Welcome everybody to PopUp Camper Pro. I'm your host Derek Smith, and today we're going to learn how to use the Coleman and Fleetwood parts books to look up your part numbers that your camper calls for. This tutorial is going to familiarize you with the parts books, the part numbering system, and the series number identifiers. First step is to identify the year of your pop-up. We can do this in 4 different ways. First, your title or registration. Second, a sticker on the side of your camper, typically curbside front. Third, inside a cabinet door, you can commonly find another sticker with this information. And lastly, your VIN number. The next step is to identify the camper's name. The model name is found via decal on the sides of the camper, commonly towards the rear. Names such as Niagara, Bayside, Cheyenne are popular ones. With this information, the year and the model name, you're ready to look up your camper's part numbers. For this tutorial, we're going to say our camper is a 2002 Cheyenne. It's a great model. So I've gone to the parts book link at ColemanPopUpParts.com and I found 2002 parts books. I find Destiny and Grand Tour underneath that link. So these are 2 series that Coleman and Fleetwood have produced in this model year. They would typically produce 10 to 20 models each year, and they would group them into series groups. The series groups were dependent on the size of the camper, the length of the box. Our 2002 Cheyenne is a Grand Tour series, so we're going to click there. At the start of your parts book page, you'll find all the model names that were produced in that model year. Next to the model names, you'll find a 4-digit number. This is your camper's series number and is important when locating model-specific parts to your camper. We find our 2002 Cheyenne to be series 3696. Let's say we're looking for a curbside rear body panel for a 2002 Cheyenne. I find all the options on page 11, and I find my series number after one of the part numbers, indicating that it is specific to this camper. If the part is specific to more than one camper, most commonly you'll find 4 digits first, a comma, 2 digits, indicating that it is specific to more than one unit. So if I find a comma 96 after a part number, that indicates that that's specific to my year and model as well. Coleman and Fleetwood part numbers began their life with a dash in the middle. If the part went through a revision, a change in design, or even suppliers, an alpha character was assigned, replacing that dash. So say you find on our website a part number that has C in the middle, but your part book might have A. These parts are commonly backwards compatible. You of course want to double check with visuals and measurements, but in most instances they will work. Parts that don't follow this rule are cushions, curtains, and canvas. A different alpha character in the center of these part numbers always indicate a different product. Thanks for watching everybody. Give us a thumbs up if you found the information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. And you can of course find all of our products and more helpful information at ColemanPopUpParts.com.